Say police deɛ no who police ni deɛ no. Now, but your Ghana Police Service, that bang time ben a more change issue to issue a statement. 87.9 say police in Inua captured in a video. And you will see a site. Now no say IGP withdraw police for our domo call. Sa kon meboa. And yes 9 months for them. And I'm meboa.
Yeah.
Inti posi die. Posi ukoye den was site. Ana police for said you can say police for be wo concession. Omo illegal mining no sa na. Me no pay a questions because also me busa. Because in this video, Oba be shey live. Right Facebook page live. Akoma 87.9. Bra. Na be hade. Post ni no. Entry. What's the video no hu? What's hu? Chibosi agozo da wo krom ha asembefo ase o. Saara na no yesi. Transformers. What's one thing? Hey, Angie. Video. That's a breja man. I was opening gwasi agidin. Ntifye ni ye. Aha. Ana o dey start my we dey say mfimfim baby na odri. Yanko tie wei.
Tia mu ha funu. Eso wuntini. Ela ba fie. Tia mu ha funu wuntini. Eso bi ha ka be bi ni o dey ma ka dan. Wa be to ko fie. Tia mu ha funu wuntini. Eso bi ha ka be bi ni o dey ma ka dan. Wa be to ko fie. Àwọn ọmọdé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe dáwọn níbi ọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tó. Operator boys. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní kò yé ẹ̀dùnmẹ̀ bí màá wálé tọ́jú tó rọ̀. Operator boys. I don't want to photocopy machine here, no brother. That's why one for a photocopy machine here. Oh, Aman. Hello.
Video na brabra na wo ye no fa che me e bia na wuti already obusa say e dey na say John so dey ku asom yi ye tie ne say there is police officer in a video agrofo no mo akasa no tim say gaman yi hwe obe ha dwen ona ekono police officer was so muntua half also omuntua half was it no 200 cities on 200 cities I'm china microphone is when me me no na e adwuma
200 cities no bobo ahye
no no bobo yi and was muntua half we go as entrapment the suban you say Abura Dunkwa in the central region hona asemi see na se see ya make say bia Ghana Police Service issue statement dia me hui because I don't pay na me nam mo page a me hwese ebia the Ghana Police Service ebema yehu
Akoma FM.
the last post 17 hours ago. IGP deploys intelligence officers and officers from anti-armed robbery into units to Bono East and Northern regions. And no normal posti wa ha. We are no free wa. The only commissioning of divisional headquarters. Lasi Odumase Krobo. Mampani co-commission divisional headquarters. I don't know my capture or nti police for in terms no awasa mo ka bi kire say ade na yehu no enye Ghana ha
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Dabi o say dabi asem na meka say ne ayeyi na kuma ka che say ade amuhu enye Ghana ha na emu say Ghana ha officer no because officer no matidi bi ese wo very popular area ho pa I say a friend no Don Lapiance Don ti wo friend Don area ho na say wo ko ba bi na police officer be a popular say area boys eno no ye come anti no ma Don enti say e kwan so a un say driver for na mani din bo say driver for na pedi ama no nti wo popular kwan no so say community ni mu a tum say bia base boys no o mama ni din nti wo so nam town ni mu a na man fans onye enti I was said by now Ghana Police Service mama yehu okay ye de aba de tie ne say statement na branch no police officer no because sika wo kutai hwe no de hye ne botom yo any look at it hwe wo dem pacho show this is the money bro chika krama me sika no na wo bobo any and you say saying 200 cedis note on
200 cedis note we do hear baako
o
si biem
osimo amantua no oka bibi mo ma mintie first ayi no mo de mo fa no ntum ma me oka bibi asim tia half am be so betua je sa
eso wunti ni e la da fi uchi omo of wunti eso bi o ha ka be bi ni o ma o ka da wa be to mo ko fi uchi omo half no eso wunti ni e la da fi
uchi omo half no wo se wunti mi wo be kofie
uchi omo of wunti eso bi o ha ka be bi ni o ma o ka da wa be to mo ko fi
negotiation go ya no say aban senke bi wo ho a enka metua esa fe ni aba adwuma ye nya hwe unso so ate asima wo gigeye look at listen just listen
chairman half no eso wuntimi ala da fi uchi amu half wuntimi eso bi wo ha ka be bi ni o ma o ka dan wa be to ko fi aban mudian yo wasi dawli do go to
aban media ne ho ane boys ni sa tem ne dia wo akra aban media ne ho o ye dia ne ho ane boys ni mka ho
operator boys operator boys eso wuntimi ala da fi uchi omo of wuntimi eso bi o ha ka be bi ni o ma o ka da wa be to ko fi
so ube coffee any means what just say sa niema no a eniema na ya na eti ni bi no ebi ni o see areas awokwa mine na wo ho no posifo ni binom enye omu nyina otimi soro se na me ko site emo bia me ka say na entrapment e dey entrapment nipa no negotiate say to your half oso ntua aban ebi ni hobi yo ho anka
87.9 Kumasi
ene obekofie na just wan tua de a untimi nya adwuma but now Ghana Police Service also more issue statement on this one wasafa phone or the ehunahuna wo be na me frɛ enforcement ɛna ɔmo ba mo nyina mbɛkɔ nti mo antua say ya no mo de kɔ say ya no mo de awura ai site no mo gye nkrofo sika what enti and sabre by this time and then Monday also by this time statement esu so also by this time statement Adam because ya te say a central region okɔ ye den wan e soma no central regional commander wona asoma na anase your division commander bi a what na sim se bema kɔgyegye bra. Let's be serious as a country. Oman no also is serious. Da bia ye complaining and ye ka evidence ni ho and evidence no enie. Na no ye okrom ha and anas areme ya anas be ye expose bi wa ha. Me kai ayi ha ai adum prison so wɔkye bie anya awɔgye ne nyina ba so yante hwee jese mo mana be se na nya hwee post ni de ehu se wagye anya hwee anya sa de mo ye de sa na mbesa mkyerɛ na post ni de ye do gyina kwan so post ni de si area hɔ nka de show nsa ba ba bia man ne wɔ ne de ei transfer kra no manfo de atiti ne bi it is being alleged say manfo tua pa say e ha de mpawche mamu nyimi mfiri ha
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Enti police service and we need to know. Me I am interested. I am interested. Also me who. Me never seen kuma bedru.